Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn yourself into a 3D cartoon or cartoon characters in a photo using Wing. So you can just open the Wing editor apps and then you can scroll down and tap on the animate options. Now just select the photos that you want to edit. For example, this one's right here, and now you can just swipe until you find the cartoon option. So there are two options, the cartoon one or the 3D cartoon one. You can see your face will turn into a cartoon instantly like this. Let's try the 3D cartoon, this one. So just choose between the 3D cartoon and cartoon effects you like, or which one that you like the most, and after that you can hit on the save button on the top right corner. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.